What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk on the topic that we have all talked in before but never ever explained about it. Today we are going to talk on the topic about space and our body. How does our body survive in space, inside the earth, on the air and in water and in fire as well? How does all of this thing occur by our body? How does it happen? So, to understand or get a better view of this topic, today we are going to discuss on that. So, first of all, before discussing on that, we are going to discuss on the topic whenever. Just suppose this thing is whenever our earth, then we all know it is not a flat, it is a whole circle of our earth. But whenever a perfect hole is driven from one point to the another, so there's a perfect cuboid or some type of shape that is cylindrical shape which is formed there, then what happens if I drop an apple from that point? Will it go all the way through, or will it just leave up there? Will it get destroyed? What happens to that thing? So the real answer of this question is that it will get destroyed. But somehow if it manages to go through the core, go through the immense pressure which is built among those crust level, and beneath that there is mantle and the core, the upper mantle and the other type of thing. But if it survives that, then it is going to be a real crazy experiment, to be honest. But if it survives that, then it will go to the other side. But there's a big catch. It would come back to the upper side, then go back to the downside, then go back to the upper side, then the downside. So it would happen in continuous manner, because the gravity of our earth doesn't work in one direction, it works from all directions. So if the earth is in circle, then there's gravity from here, here and all the way. This is how gravity even works. So on earth, this is how gravity works. So that's why the down surface of our earth, the people from there do not just fall this side, because if the gravity was like, yeah, I am tugging you, then it would be like the other type. But if the side one, they will be like sliding down. So none of this occurs because of the gravity. But instead of saying that, let's talk what if a human went down and in the crust, because beneath that there is mantle and the core which us human cannot survive. So what happens if a human goes inside our earth? So first of all, if it goes just like wearing a good suit or something, then he would probably get crushed. Because of the immense pressure and the lack of oxygen and so on, there are lots of things that are down there, so he would probably die. But if he had a high gear of jacket as well as a fresh supply for oxygen, then he might be able to go downside. But the pressure is so high that it probably crushes you. But to say that at least people do not go there, and they like microphones and things that are sent there, because there was one incident that a hell sound came from the earth's crust whenever the miners dig too far. But these are all myths, they are nothing like that. So all the machinery works are done by machine, the digging, the going there and getting the petrol out of the dead remains of animals. It's all done by our machines, so there's no need of that of human being work there. But on the same thing, if the human is flying in the air, so what happens to him? So imagine you are skydiving, or you just fell from a high position. So what happens at that condition? You will, whenever you fell on that point, then the surface of your skin will be just like pulling up. It will be pulling up, because it's in inertia that we knew about Newton's first law, that if an object is in the state of rest, it wants to be in the state of rest, but unless an external unbalanced force acts on it, then it will change its position. So it has the law of it. It will remain, and the object will move. So that's our law that we know. But beside that, what were we talking about? We were talking about how does that exact law affect the whole thing. The whole thing that I mean by that, how does it even affect our human body? So whenever a human body falls, then the air molecules are like hard rock, and if a high potential and high kinetic energy from a free fall is shooted down at a high speed, then it will hit the air molecule so hard that the molecular attraction between them are slow and low, but they will still feel so hard. So this is what is done by our body. I hope you understand all of these things. If you didn't understand, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.